king. Me are the new king for dancehall.
So basically, everybody in a dancehall did willing to watch Masicka a water down the genre, all because him a go against Vibes Cartel. And this are the result of it. Silkboss I say him a king. And you know what I like about this? It never takes Silkboss 2 years after Masicka say him a king. Silkboss I say him a king too. While Masicka say him a king, so them not even respect Masicka. So the whole thing a water down. So just look out for all 120 more man and say them a king. So everybody they willing for water down the genre, meaning nobody never check Masicka. Me talk about this little bit over my main channel, but me I got elaborate on it over here. So you know say over here, so I will do the subtopic. So sometime over my main channel a reason, I may say yo, but this need a topic for itself. So we bring it over here. So we are gonna talk about everything. This is Real Talk.
This is Real Talk.
Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.
Yeah man people, welcome back to a brand new episode of This is Real Talk. And I'm your host DJ Dreadbeard. Wanna know how the drill go? If a real talk me make, type Real Talk in the comment section. Like the video, subscribe if a real talk me make. And if you can afford it, send me a donation via PayPal. The link I got there in the description. You don't know me out here do the Lord works for free at the time. So if you want to support the channel, yeah man, donate to the PayPal with the message Real Talk. Alright, so over the main channel, me just say, yo, the man them will usually would have stop a man from make them talk the way Masicka make. For a man where we know say him have the achievement and the qualification for him say him a goat and king and all of them something when Bina say. The man them not stop him. Like usually twins of twins would have forward out if Masicka did have said that while being man say him a king. A bugger man would have forward out and say Masicka a madman or what? Like what you do for you call yourself king? Like twins of twins, the two of them, 2 locks, curly locks, the two of them would have separate video. A school Masicka, why him not the king? If Masicka did have say him a the king while being man a king. You see me? Or 10 years ago or 20 years ago if Masicka said that, everybody would have schooled him. But because of Vibes Cartel him this, everybody just sit back and enjoy the show. You see me? So that's where the topic forward from why I say me I do a video by itself. So watch this now. Instead of the man them say yo Masicka, ease yourself and educate him. Why him not the king? Why him not the goat? Instead of the man them do that, you know what Bounty Killer do? Bounty Killer side with him. And say, me like, me no like. So him no longer want strict parent, you know. You call that gentle parenting, you know. Yeah, because usually the community would have strict and the community would have school you. Me always hear about the community parenting like somebody can school you and if you even go home until your parents school you again pan top of it. Me not so old for grow up in a them time but me hear about them things there. You see me? So the community would have be dancehall. Every man, every elder in a dancehall would have be the community parenting. Nobody never school Masicka. Them just allow him for say him a the king and the goat. Anything where him can think of for say, them just allow him and laugh with him. Gentle parenting, them call it in the age. So what you think happen? One little man up on the sideline and see him get away with it. That a silkboss. Up on the sideline and see say nobody never stop him. As a matter of fact, I side them side with him. So as something right him I don't know, you know, because Bounty Killer would have side with him and say a Masicka one side me say. I like him, I don't like. I don't only silkboss a pre that. Asian them everybody. Some man will not even boss yet. When them boss, they must say yo, me are the king. So in the intro me say, you know what I like about this? Silkboss never wait till next year or next 2 years for say my king. Silkboss I say my king while Masicka I say him a the king. You me look bit and say, let's say the people them they say, you know what, Masicka the king. Silkboss I say him a the king too. Silkboss no respect Masicka. Silkboss say Masicka say my king and the goat and Silkboss come out and say my king too. Or me a the king, me a the king before you even plan for crown Masicka. Remember Yuma me, you know, because Masicka no they nowhere near for king and Vibes Cartel is the king. But let's say the people them this say a Masicka the king. Hypothetically, let's say when Masicka say my king, the country split in half. And people say, yo, what you mean Masicka the young youth, my king. Right now the country not even split in 10%. Not even 10% that say Masicka king. I just Masicka and him friend them. Remember him tell a man, them call him the goat, him friend them call him the goat. So, you me little bit and say, yo, the country is split in half when Masicka say my king. Silkboss never wait until him get the crown. Silkboss a say, yo, me a king too because he would have see bounty killer. Because he would have see bounty killer aside with Masicka, so him think of something good him a do. While if Vybz Kartel name never in the mix, the same bounty killer, I go forward out and school you and say, why you not the king? Some things what them doing for them there, the youths them not do it yet. All kind of argument you would hear. So at this day, irony coming right now, you know. I when Silkboss get up and say my king and him, Silkboss now have nothing to him name. Not even zinc. Silkboss sell. Copper, nothing at all. No billboard, nothing at all. No achievement, no thing at all. I think the only thing, yo, I doubt if Silkboss ever go #1 in a Jamaica. Like the local Jamaica, IRFM or Zipper, one of them radio stations. I doubt if him even go #1 in the country, bro. And he must say I'm the king right now. Because him see Masicka do it and get away with it. So just look out for some other man now. See Silkboss get away with this. Pan a ER interview. I know say Silkboss not have zinc in him name. So them when I have zinc in them name, them can say them a king too. So the whole thing deteriorate. All because the man them never check Masicka. The man them allow Masicka to talk about a crap at the time and nobody not check him. Everybody, even one day when him and Capleton did there over our Antigua, yo, even back in the days, all a Capleton would all check him right there and say, he's a part for them talk the youth or give him a little talk. No, Capleton just shake him and a business as usual. No man nah burn no fire. The fire stop burn. Every man just do what they want right now. And I think the reason why Masicka get away with it is because of Vybz Kartel him this, bro. May I tell you this. Say if I never Vybz Kartel him this, every man name me call. From the footer, I am the Irish and Chin, the twins them. Anybody we can think about, they would have school him and tell him why. Tell him say, yo, you know, say, Beenie Man have a Grammy. Beenie Man upon the Hot 100. Beenie Man do a collaboration with Janet Jackson. They might tell you a bag of things why you can't be the goat and the king over Beenie Man. So because of Vybz Kartel, them just love him and side with him on top of it. You see me? So the irony for me, I when Silkboss said this during when Masicka said too. So two of them are said. So Silkboss and Masicka are fight for me who are the next king after Vybz Kartel. So who would choose? Silkboss or Masicka? And that's right there, you know. Clowning and some trolling and some joke thing it there, you know. Who would choose? Silkboss or Masicka? Then for the joke of it, some man are going to say Silkboss over Masicka. Just for the joke of it and the fun of it because I be a trolling dancer. Nobody not take dancehall serious again. You see me? Because remember say a joke thing for Masicka say him a king right upon the day when Vybz Kartel get the crown, you know. Remember say a big joke thing that, you know. Remember say him alone I said no, all the people them do, them just keep quiet. Nobody now say Masicka a king, but them keep quiet. Quiet is consent in this, you know. Because the man that we know, we would have tap him on him shoulder and say, yo, oi, behave yourself, man. Have manners, man. You see them man there quiet. Yeah, them just sit back and enjoy the show. So yeah, man, people, but let me know what you think. You feel say Masicka could have made the talk there 10 years ago, or if Vybz Kartel never in the picture, a Beenie Man or the king, you think say dancehall, the community in a dancehall, the other artists them, the elder artists them, you think say they would allow him to say them things there and say him at the king while Beenie Man or the king, or because Vybz Kartel. And everybody just sit back and watch and enjoy the show because, you see me, everybody sit back and enjoy the show because of Vybz Kartel name and it bring controversy and them thing, you see me? But yo, people, you don't know how the thing go. I drop a video before the one here when me ask if Sean Paul or Vybz Kartel big in Africa, who bigger, and one African did call in over one program and I say Sean Paul bigger. So if you don't want to hear the reasoning there, see the arrow there point to the video there if you don't watch it yet. And remember, type real talk in the comment section if a real talk me I make, and if you can afford it, shot me a PayPal, real talk. And the woman them, you can buy me a coffee. I am DJ Dreadbeard and this was another episode of Real Talk. Real Talk.